People ask me all the time, why should I get a personal injury attorney, right? It's only a minor accident, or I can handle the bills, or right, I like my insurance company. I don't want to lose my insurance company. I think the thing that a lot of people miss, that I've found to be true, is that generally you're going to get a better settlement and better justification for your damages when you're in a position that you have an attorney on your side. First off, I think a lot of people really struggle in how they value their own claims. It's really easy, it's pretty natural as a human to want to move forward and not say that something is terrible or awful or right is going to cause you pain forever. Whereas my job is to help you value that, to help you put some kind of number on what you've lost, how you were hurt, how this injury affect your sleep or your ability to do hobbies that you love. And so I think that's one important part. I've had cases where clients are fighting back and forth with the insurance about $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, and they come in to talk to us, and they have significant insurance coverage, which is always important and helpful in those contexts. But even if they don't, they're bickering back and forth, and I go, no, you have enough medical bills or you have enough injuries to justify the full amount. So that's just one area, and having somebody on your side to justify your damages, but also just to even assess them, because in that context, you're generally likely to take more than you would have on your own, even with an attorney increasing the amount on your claim. And two, I think it's so much easier when you're doing those things to have somebody on your side, right? You get in an accident and you're juggling 10 other things, right? Your life doesn't stop. Your kids still got to get to school. You got to work. You now have appointments to go to. Every other problem in your life doesn't stop, but now you have this new one. And so it also, having somebody handle it for you allows you to be in a position to take that one extra thing off your plate, but also have somebody who's going to be in your corner and fight for you to get the most that you're due. Now, I will say, if you're in a position that, let's say you have $25,000 in coverage, and you go to an attorney and they say, I'll take your case, and all they get you is $25,000, sure, that's an issue. And if I were to take a case like that, I wouldn't take any fee and I wouldn't charge any cost to the client, because then you haven't done anything for them. And sure, maybe some people might do that, but if you can get your full amount, then you should. But at the same point, I always think it's so low risk to talk to somebody who does what I do, because it's on contingency fees. So you're not going to, at least in most states, I know in New Mexico, you shouldn't be paying for consultation. And then you also, the money's on contingency fee, meaning you get paid at the end. So you're paid out of the funds. You don't pay them until anything like that happens. And most people in New Mexico aren't going to charge you anything unless they're successful, right? It's a benefit to both sides and their ability to assess the case. So it's always, I just think it's the simplest step to go talk to somebody and see what they can do to help you. And there's no cost to you. And at the same point, you might end up with more money in your pocket than you thought you would. Otherwise, I think that the challenge is you're stuck fighting an insurance company and putting yourself in a position where you may not get what you're due. Hope you're having a lovely weekend.